Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to SHECARS YouTube channel. Now let's check out the crash test results of all new Maruti Swift. This car was introduced way back in 2005 and still now it's one of the most sold hatchbacks in India. Let's check out if this car is really safe.
The front offset deformable barrier test was performed at a speed of 64 km per hour. So this test was performed in the year 2017. This is the full width rigid barrier test at a speed of 50 km per hour, where the car goes and hits a straight wall. This one is the side mobile barrier test at a speed of 50 km per hour. This is the side pole test at 32 km per hour. This is done to check how the pillars of the car are. This is the whiplash low speed split test and pedestrian head impact test at 40 km per hour. And these are the pedestrian leg tests.